Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine two videos together using Canva's video editing features. Whether you're making content for social media, a business presentation, or just want to put your favorite clips side by side, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your videos with smooth transitions, all inside Canva. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to produce polished, professional-looking video content without needing any experience in complex editing software. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, in Canva everything starts with a blank canvas. Once you're in your project, you'll want to add your first video. To do this, look over to the side panel and find the Elements tab. Sometimes this is also called Elements or just shows up as a little square icon. Give it a click and then scroll down or search for videos. This is where Canva keeps a wide library of stock videos, or if you've uploaded your own clips, you'll find them here too. Pick out the video you want to start with, maybe it's an introduction or your first scenic shot, and simply drag it right onto the canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't fit perfectly at first. Canva lets you resize and position it however you like. Take a moment here and get your video looking just right. This is your foundation. Now, when you're ready to add your second video, maybe it's a follow-up shot, an interview clip, or just the next scene, you'll need to give it its own space. At the bottom of the timeline, click on Add Page. Think of each page as a new video segment. Clicking Add Page basically creates a new slide, just like building a slideshow. Once your new page is ready, head back to the side panel, jump into Elements or Videos again, and repeat that same process. Drag your second video directly onto the new page. It might feel a bit like stacking blocks. Each page holds a piece of your story. Here's the fun part, transitioning between those two videos. On your timeline, you'll see a little plus icon or add transition option between the first and second video pages. Click that, and Canva gives you a few transition styles to choose from: crossfade, slide, maybe dissolve. These add a touch of magic, smoothing the cut between your clips so the end result feels intentional and visually appealing, rather than jarring or abrupt. Don't rush this step. Take a few moments to preview the available transitions and pick the one that best matches the emotion of your video. Once everything's lined up, it's time to watch your masterpiece in action. Click on Preview, usually at the top right, and Canva will play your video from start to finish, complete with your transition in the middle. This is a good chance to spot anything you might want to tweak. Maybe the timing needs a slight adjustment, or you'd like the transition to be a little slower. Don't worry if you need to go back and forth a couple of times. Editing is all about experimentation. And that's it, you've successfully combined two videos into one seamless project using Canva. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any questions, maybe about video formats, transitions, or anything else Canva related, leave a comment down below and I'll help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.